You know, I've been traveling around this country a hell of a lot, and I've been using Clearview mirrors for towing over the past 10 years. You know, after all the miles that I've done out in the bush and in some of Australia's most corrugated roads, some of the harshest conditions, some of the tightest tracks while towing huge loads, Clearview has never let me down. You can always rely on the fact that you know that that mirror is going to do what that mirror is meant to do. And on top of that, Clearview maintain the functionality of these modern vehicles these days. You know, blind spot monitoring, fold in, fold out, all those things. The functionality is so important. It's not just about safety. It's not just being able to see what is behind you. It's also the fact that you can use all the systems that the car provides in the standard mirrors. You know, one of the most important factors when you're towing is you got to have that ability to see what's going on around you. So whether you prefer the compacts or the next gen or even the old classic mirrors, these mirrors are going to maintain the functionality of the vehicle itself and the ability to expand the mirror out so that when the load is wider than the vehicle that you're towing it with, which is, by the way, is required by law, the Clearview gives you that vision. Safety, a very important feature. Need to be able to see what's going on these days when you're driving down the road. There's a lot more traffic on the road, and if you're using them off-road, it's got to have that durability. Clearview mirrors can handle some of the toughest road conditions, off-road, in the bush, tight situations, trying to reverse down a beach to launch your boat. Clearview have been there. They've maintained their functionality and they handle the conditions and they stand the test of time. Don't muck around, get yourself a pair of Clearview mirrors. You will not be disappointed and you'll definitely be able to see where the hell you're going.